This setup is a 300 TPH complete sand-making plant. The max input size is 780 mm, and output sizes are 0 to 5 mm. It is configured with a hopper, vibrating feeder DN5013, primary jaw crusher PE900*1200, 2 sets cone crusher DN1800, 4 sets the vibrating screen, and 2 sets of VSI sandmaker and 12 PCs belt conveyors. 1. The excavator unloads the stones into the hopper, and the stone enters the vibrating feeder from the lower part of the hopper. 2. The vibrating feeder feeds the 100 to 780 mm stones evenly to the primary jaw crusher. The vibrating feeder will be with a gap 100 mm grizzly bar. The 0 to 100 mm stone will fall into the first belt. And it will be transferred to a transfer silo equipped with a hoist feeder. The material will be fed to the hopper above the first and second vibrating screen by the second conveyor belt. 3. The output of 0 to 200 mm of the jaw crusher will be transferred to the first set of the cone crusher by the third conveyor. 4. The output 0 to 35 mm of cone crusher will be sent to the first and second vibrating screen to separate by the fourth conveyor. The stones more than 35 mm will be sent back to the second cone crusher to crush through a second transfer silo and fifth and sixth conveyors. The 0 to 5 mm sand will flow to the spiral sand washer to wash. The 5 to 35 mm sand will flow to a conveyor which is under the 4 vibrating screens. The conveyor will transfer it to the third silo and then to 2 sets of VSI sandmakers to crush till 0 to 5 mm. 5. The output of the VSI sandmaker will be sent to the silo above the third and fourth vibrating screens. The 0 to 5 mm sand will flow to the spiral sand washer to wash. The sand more than 5 mm will flow to the underbelt and send back to the VSI sandmaker to crush again. 6. The output 0 to 5 mm sand of each vibrating screen flow to the spiral sand washer and wheel sand washer to wash again, and then to the dewatering screen to dewater. After dewatering, the customer can get the sand. 7. The tails will be sent to 5 sets of filter press to press.